Hi everyone, in this particular video I will show you how to install Gluedown Hardwood flooring over the plywood subfloor. This is called double glue down. First of all I will glue a cork 1/4 inch, and then I will install engineered hardwood prefinished floor. So let's go to start. Here is I'm doing double glue down installation over the wood subfloor. Already installed some cork, and here it is. We can take a piece of cork and put it here. You see? You can use roller, you can use your hand, not a problem. I want to start floor installation, and I'm just gonna do part of flooring, part of underlayment installation and grinding. I installed this cork for sound protection, and then I found the line which is parallel hallway and parallel both walls. So now we start floor installation. Okay, first of all, need to apply glue. I'm using this new one, it's called Bona R820. The same glue like previous Bona R851, only there is no moisture protection. So I made one line for 5 boards. It's really comfortable work. This Bona glue very good. It's compare price. It's cheaper than regular with moisture protection, and also it's good holding the groove. For secure first line of boards, I using small pieces of same hardwood flooring with tongue, and I glue this piece to the cork directly, and this piece very good holding this board. Now I can do next line installation. Very simple. I hope it will help you as well. Okay, good. So then we can add boards. You see, like this. I want to show you, so I want to install more first line, and then add more pieces. You see. Floorboard.
Okay, and so I will put another one. Okay, so next step, need to tape boards together. This is very important. I'm using 3M tape from Home Depot. It's masking tape. Why I like it? Because it's stretchy. So you see how it looks like now. I just follow this red line. You see, I tape it. Need to finish this side. Need to put very small piece. Just pull. Oh. You see, now first line ready. Install it. I put blocks. I put tape. Now it's boards very tight, no gaps. So if you wanna follow installation, just mark another line, put glue and go. What I wanna do now. if you want to change direction, for example, go to this way, but there is blocks. Need to make blocks with groove. Glue it from this side, unglue, they just pull out that blocks and go this way. Very easy. Or if you wanna follow this installation and then in same day wanna go this way, just need to wait 2-3 hours when it's glue settle. It's not dry completely, but it's not movable already. So in 3 hours. Just pull out these blocks and go this way. Sometimes if you work like 2 guys working, you know, so in 2 hours pull out blocks and one install on this side, another one that side. This is the point how to do in floor. Okay, I hope you like my videos.
In final, don't forget put boxes, full boxes on top to push down whole floor. It avoid have in the future some empty spots under the floor. If you have any question, don't hesitate, ask me. I always answer you. See you on next video.